Hey everybody, it is your Wreath Lady Alicia, and I thought I would just make a really quick video, just kind of check in with you, say hey, tell you kind of a couple of new things that are coming, and I have a word of encouragement for you. So the first thing that's coming, I've got several new wreaths that I have started working on or will be working on. I'm working on this beautiful yellow and gray wreath right now. That'll be available on my website probably within the next 24 hours. And then some other ones also. I've got a couple more fall, Dia de los Muertos, and then Christmas. So that's what I'm working on. As far as what's coming up, I have 5 events. I just added a 5th event on today. I'm kind of helping a little bit with just some of the planning details or whatever. So I'm not going to share anything yet, but it's going to be an awesome event that will support an even more awesome organization. So as soon as all the details are concrete, then we will share that. So that's kind of what's coming up. If you are looking for me in the next month, please, I'm probably buried in my craft room under everything. So yeah, or here at the kitchen table, which is where I have more room right now. So that's that. And then I have just some encouragement. Something just happened. So, I have a website, 413design.com, and anytime anybody orders anything from my website, the app that I use is my selling platform or whatever, on my phone, when an order comes through, it goes cha-ching, it makes the money sound. So a few minutes ago, I was just sitting here working on this wreath and I hear cha-ching, and obviously I sold a wreath from my website. So the encouraging part of that is, I know there's a lot of people who are really, really afraid to share things on social media, especially either going live or what I'm doing right now, just making a video where I'm talking to you. I know that's really intimidating to a lot of people. And it's funny, I would much rather talk on a video than talk in person. That makes me so anxious, even though I can do it. But I can talk all day, as you can see on a video. But do it. Make the video, make the TikTok. A lot of people are really afraid of TikTok. I love it. I have 2 accounts. I have a personal account and a business account. So the reason why I say make the content, make the video, it doesn't even have to be that great to begin with. Just keep doing it, keep practicing, whatever else. So this particular wreath that I sold, it's the that really cute witch's hat that I posted yesterday with the little legs on it. So I, on a whim, made a video yesterday, just a quick 14-second TikTok video with that particular wreath. And the person who just bought that wreath, they live down in Texas, and they bought it because they saw the TikTok video. In fact, after she purchased it, she commented on my TikTok video, and she was like, "Yay, I just bought this." There's a chance that wreath still may have sold, even if I hadn't posted a TikTok video, but because I did, it sold. And I've actually sold a few wreaths just from posting a TikTok video and doing that. So post the content. Don't be afraid. You can do it. So yeah, that's the main thing I wanted to say. If you are a maker and you have any events coming up and you need help promoting it, or just want to get it on a different stream or platform or whatever, feel free to comment even on this video and tell us where you're going to be, what you're doing, what you're making. Do you have a sale coming up? Anything else? All of us, we all win when we all support each other. So my page is a safe place. Feel free to post on there, share your website. I don't care. I'll share it, whatever else. Let's work together. Let's win together. So that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Cool upcoming stuff. Post the content, and probably one day next week I'm going to go live. We'll just do a craft and chat type thing. So if you have any questions about wreaths, upcoming events, life, I don't know what's for dinner. It doesn't matter. Let's chat about it. So have a good one. Bye.